Hi guys, it's Jamie. I hope everybody's doing good and thanks for tuning in. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jamie. I'm 53 years old, on disability due to spinal problems and deterioration of the vertebrae. So, my story is debt. Being on low income and fixed income is hard these days with grocery prices and everything. Everybody is struggling. So I sat down and yes, I talked to myself. I've been trying to come up with a way to be able to add extra money, a payment towards my debt. And I started saving the $1 bills. And, guys, if you've been watching, you know that I started with the $1 bill bucks, as I call them. And this is what I've been doing. I've been saving the $1 bills that has the A, B, C, and so forth. And it goes all the way to L. So what I've been doing is putting all the $1 bills with the letter A on them, which is right here. A in my area is a unicorn bill. You'll probably have to take me months to get this one filled with the A's. But that's what I've been doing, saving those. And I just been thinking about all my debt and how I want to get it paid off. And this is my little tracker. I did do date, balance, payment, extra paid balance, and then paid on what date. And once I sat down and started going through this, I thought, oh my gosh, I am so much in debt. Of course, you'll see personal loans. I did have to take out a couple of personal loans to help get through the little bit of an emergency that we had earlier with my husband. He is doing well. He's doing better. So after much thought and consideration with myself, talking to myself, making a decision how I was going to do it, I figured that what I would do is with the dollars that I had saved, there is $30 in this one, I figured let's make it fun. I did at once had all of these figured out to where I want them to go, but I thought, let's throw it towards debt. So what I figured I would do with the money that is already filled in, there's $30 in this envelope, I am going to change it up. So I brought back my binder and I made some little dashboards on the debt that I can actually log into the accounts and pay extra on with no penalty. So we have the car, we have mortgage, we have personal loan, we have Lowe's, we have medical bills, and we have PayPal credit. Sorry, I can't talk today, guys. So I figured what I'd do is I would roll the dice. I will take each one of these out and put them in order because I did mark them. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And these are the highest to just about the lowest. I have a few that I can't log in. They're automatically taken out. So, yeah. These are the ones that I can actually log into and make extra towards. So this is what I'm going to do. Each time one of these envelopes gets $50 in, I am going to take that $50. I'm going to deposit into the bank and make the payment. So that is what I came up with. It has been a long struggle, guys, and You know, I figured if you could just add just a little bit. Like I said, I'm on a low income. I'm on disability. My husband's on disability. And, you know, saving the dollars, saving $1 bills is so much easier for me than, you know, to throw 5 or 10, 20. And I believe this is going to help me get through, and having the little book here that I can actually go in and look and say, hey, I paid extra at 50 here. This is my balance. So as long as I have the visual, and that's what I'm trying to do, is be visual with things and to be motivated to save, and I can't wait to get started into this. So stay tuned if you want to see how this little binder here gets filled up with extra money going to the ones that I really want to get paid off first. High interest, low interest, it don't matter as long as you try to throw extra at all your debt. I know a lot of people is doing the snowball debt, doing the lowest to the highest or the highest to the lowest. I'm just going to try to get it evened out to where my monthly income and my monthly expense is not negative. And that is about the way that we're at. So just stay tuned. I hope to see you guys soon, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.